So the first step in teaching your child to read is making sure that they can identify all the letters of the alphabet correctly. So this is an activity that I have my son do that helps him to identify each letter and put them in alphabetical order. So these are magnetic letters and a magnetic whiteboard. And he just goes through and he puts all the letters in the correct order. So I would definitely start with this and just making sure that your child can identify the letters and put them in order. With him touching them and saying them, it also helps him to remember each letter because he gets a visual representation of each letter as he says it. Instead of just saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you don't get a visual representation when you are just saying it. Okay, now.
A, F, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, J, G,
Not J.
G, G,
Mm-hmm.
H, H.
Now that he's put all the letters in alphabetical order, he is matching the sounds or saying the sounds that match each letter. However, he still hesitates with some letters. Our goal is for him to say each letter and sound without hesitation so that he can sound out words quickly later on.
B, P, Q, K, R, S, T, T, U,
Once you have reviewed the letters and sounds, you can move on to simple words, also called CVC words, which are consonant, vowel, consonant. So you will start by just creating words on the magnetic board for your child to sound out and go through and have them sound out all of the simple words.
Pat.
Good.
Bat. Sat.
Good. So you also want to review the sight words with your child every day so that they can remember and say them without hesitation, along with adding more to their vocabulary.
Hats. Like. Go. If we had the on. Look. Was.
Let's do this right there.
Go.
Right.
Wait, no, I said it wrong. I said go. On. I had the. It. Can. And. See. T. To. The. Is. A. Of. At.
Once your child knows a good amount of sight words, then you can start putting together simple sentences for them to read. So as you can see, this sentence has sight words in the sentence that Carson knows. So the words are the, in, to, and the. So all he will have to do is sound out cat, ran, and bag.
Now?
Mm-hmm.
The can.
Mm-mm.
The cat. What?
Nope. Sound it out.
Oh. Ah. Is it in?
Nope. Sound it out. You're guessing.
Oh.
So start over.
The cat ran
Mm-hmm.
into the back.
Good. So as you can see, practice makes perfect. So as long as they are consistently practicing reading and sounding out the words in simple sentences like this one, they will continue to get better and better at it and more fluent in their reading. Once they have accomplished the short A sounding words, you can do short E, short I, short O, U, and so on and so forth. All right, thanks for watching. Also, stay tuned for more reading videos that can help your child learn to read.